can see me. It is so early in the morning. It is 2 o'clock in the morning, and Robert came to me and was like, hey, you wanna go salmon fishing? I'm like, I'm up. So we are up. We have a guy named Elazar in the back that he met at Best Buy. But he actually went to Oshkosh North where my mom works, and he is gonna be helping us out filming. Robert is dealing with the GPS right now, so that's what you guys hear. But we are going on Lake Michigan, and we will be salmon fishing. We're actually meeting up with Pat Magdalano, and he is the creator of Mag's Custom Rods. He was just down in Florida. And so he was like, hey, you guys need to come up. We need to go fishing. So here we are. And Robert got more sleep than me. He went to bed 2 hours before me. But the reason I had to stay up is because we had a 3-year-old and a 2-year-old who didn't want to go to sleep. So I went to bed at like 11 something last night, and it is 2 o'clock. So we will see how far I get. But I'm really excited. We got coffee. Rob's got Coke. I got donuts. Elle will eat donuts. Elle, what do you want? I got Coke for you too.
Okay.
But actually, he stopped for coffee this morning. He was smart. Okay. Now, off to Oklahoma. As you can see, Elle is filming in the background, and it's cold up here, so I'm really happy that we brought warm goodies. I brought my Carhartts and a camel coat. It is like legit kind of chilly out here. I'm kind of embarrassed, but it is. You're gonna need a little more muscle to push this big boat, Mags.
I know.
Is your wrestling muscle enough?
Yeah, move it a little bit.
I'm kidding. This is Mr. Magpipe, as Robert would say, but this is Pat Magdalano, and he was like this crazy all-champion wrestler. How high did you get in wrestling?
I won states 3 out of my 4 years in high school, and then I should have went to college for it, but I just didn't. I went a different way.
That's okay.
Yeah.
But he's a champ. He's a wrestling champ.
Yeah.
So, needless to say, if someone came on this boat and they weren't welcome, Megs is the man you want on the boat.
Yeah.
For those of you who ever get seasick, the best possible place to be is right here on the mezzanine, outside, and just sit here and look back. Look at the horizon. I wear a little patch on my ear, behind my ear. I put it on this morning though, so it didn't have like, normally I put it on the night before. Up top on the bridge, bad place to be. Down below, bad place to be. Inside, bad place to be. Sit your tush right here on the mezzanine and just look out at the horizon. It'll help. Yeah, I've been hibernating on this mezzanine, and everyone's like, fish on! And I don't know if they were joking with me, but they weren't. Rob's and I got a fish on. Pretty sure I'm bripping up my Doritos, but it calmed down, and I've been in like hibernation mode because it's like cold, legit cold.
A steelhead in my life. You guys, we just got him back out. We're hooked up again.
Turn the clicker off.
He's clearly helping me out here right now.
Okay, honey, you lose this fish.
Okay, now I'm starting to get hot. I got like 50 layers. Do you just want me to back up like Rob did for the
Yep,
board?
just stay there until you get close to the planer board. I'll walk you through it.
Wow, I'm gonna be ripped after this.
Look at a nice one, honey. Yours is bigger than mine.
There's another one.
Right here, I got one. You got it.
I'm right here, right? Hold on, honey. Hold on.
You come and pick up now.
That is a nice one.
Okay,
Awesome.
I'm officially sweating in all these 50 layers. This is my first ever steelhead. I've never caught one.
Well, good job, honey pie. Awesome, you guys.
Awesome.
That's 2 in the box. Hey, we call that numero trace. Numero trace.
Oh man, I'm so excited that dinner's gonna be so good tonight.
Look at that beautiful chrome color. This fish is a little bit smaller, but still just a gorgeous, gorgeous fish.
Dinner.
The old steelhead. Deermom and deer meat for dinner. Doing it again.
We got a big fish on!
No joking around. Pull and drag. It's already taken out almost 300 big head shakes. This is incredible.
Double. Just reel to the dipsy.
Oh, just pull it off right there.
Sorry. I
No,
promise you.
that happens.
You're good. Just hold it up. I'll go up there. Just hold it up. Hey,
I'm so
she
sorry.
pulled hers off. No big deal.
Fred! He's like, don't put tension, and I'm like backing up the head shake and the head shake and
Just pulled it
Dave.
off right here. This one just pulled off.
No.
Just pulled off. 100%.
Fred! Okay, so mine came right here. I lost it. Just when I said I lost it, Rob lost his, which stinks because that was definitely a king salmon, but the day is not over. It's only like 7 in the morning. Okay, so I've been back here totally like snoozing. A, because I wasn't feeling good. B, because I was freezing cold. And C, because I was tired. So everyone's like, fish on! So I got up quick. And they did it like an hour ago, but we lost that fish. And now he landed this fish in the water. No wonder I'm feeling better. First off, the sun is out, so I'm warm. And the water totally laid down, so it's nice and calm. Now I'm not sure what Robert wants to do, but we have 4 fish in the box. I'm really excited. What do you want to do, babe?
We're gonna go back to the dock, fillet these fish up, and cook some dinner, man. This is what it's all about.
Bluegill, tilapia, perch, walleye, any smaller fish like that, cleaning wise. And bigger fish, I just don't have that much experience with. So Robert said he wants to fillet this because this is the only lake trout that we got today, and we really want to be able to cook up nice portions. So Daddy is taking charge, and he's gonna fillet the thing, and let's see what you got.
That's what you're left with. Nice, beautiful piece of fish.
Yes, thank you so much. So,
Give a
highly
plastic bag.
recommend him. We are gonna put these fish in a bag, and then we're gonna take them to Mom and Dad's because they've been a little stressed out. My grandma's not doing the best right now, so they've been really worried about her. So if you could put them in your thoughts and prayers, but we're gonna cook them a nice hearty meal tonight. And they watched the kids this morning, so thanks, Mom and Dad. All right, what's going on, you guys? We are back in the kitchen. And as you can tell, Rob is not with me. He already left. He had to get back to Florida because he is planning for this huge trip coming up. It's a really huge surprise. I can't wait for you guys to see it. But I am back in the kitchen and I have some of this steelhead. I was gonna cook lake trout, but this is the first bag that I grabbed and it just smells so yummy and it tasted so good the other night that I want to cook it again because it seems like super easy to cook. So this is the steelhead and I have asparagus, but here's the kicker. My dad is gonna cook it one way and I'm gonna cook it another and then we're gonna compare. So I'm gonna put a piece of this steelhead right in the middle. Throw a couple lemons in there. And I have no idea if this is actually gonna turn out or not, but we will find out. A little bit of butter. And then I'm gonna create a little pocket. And then I'm gonna add the goodies. A little bit of Bacardi lemon. And this is what I'm gonna use to steam this. I don't wanna add a lot of that. But I got that, and I got the butter in there. Plus I have this lemon with a little bit of lemon juice, so I have plenty of liquid to help this fish cook. And it's not a huge fillet, so it doesn't have to be on the heat for long. Okay, so there is one. Nice little pretty package. And I'm gonna do it again with the second one. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for my asparagus. And I'm gonna try to do it with the spinach. Not sure how it's gonna turn out though, because I've never done it with aluminum foil before. But we will see. All right, so since the asparagus takes longer to cook, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the grill. Whew, it is nice and hot. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and give those a head start, and then I'm gonna get the fish, put it on. I'm gonna cook 2 pieces, and then Dad has a pan full of oil, and he's gonna bread them and cook different fish that way. So we're gonna have a taste off, see which one is better. So those of you guys who are wondering what we're doing with the extra fish, we are throwing it in bags. Steelhead, name of the fish, 6:30 date, and then we're gonna add a little water to it because it's gonna keep it nice and fresh. Because people up here, not everyone ice fishes. So during the winter time, if you want nice fish, you just grab it out of your freezer, let it thaw, and then cook it up. So this is my spinach. That's like over there. And this is the yummy fish. It's all in there. Ooh, it actually looks really good. Oh my gosh, I think that's perfect. I'm really excited. Okay, you can see how the lemon, it cooked the lemon down, so this should be full. Oh man, look at that. That is so perfect, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so this is mine. This is Dad's. Dad, moment of truth for both of us. Here we go. Here's yours. Here's mine. Hold on, you gotta wait, because I'm gonna try his and he's gonna try mine. I'm really anxious to see what mine tastes like though. Okay.
Ready?
Cheers.
Gotta say yours is really moist, really flaky.
Is it strong? Lemon strong?
It's got a good lemon taste, not real strong. And it's not fishy at all. I think it's a very good fish. Cooked just perfect.
And lemon.
Oh, that's good. If you like lemon, that's really good.
Now I gotta go to the...
Oh, that's so good.
This is a traditional way.
Yeah, so Dad's way, I knew it was gonna be good. Because anything breaded like that and thrown in some oil is always good. Especially
good
when it's fresh. But this...
This is very moist, very good.
Oh,
Mine is all gone.
look at that.
It's delicious. Seasoned just right. Perfect.
That's good. You gotta admit, that's good.
You did it up good.
Okay. I got a thumbs up from Dad, I'm gonna take it.
Well,
I wish my mom was here right now, and I wish Rob was here because I've been telling Rob about this, that I wanted to cook it like this for so long, and now he's not even here to enjoy it, so. Honey pie, you're missing out.
very good.
Can't go wrong either way. But I highly recommend that way because that is so yummy. Give me a thumbs up if you've ever cooked it like this, or if you've enjoyed watching me cook it like this. Head over to Instagram, check out Deermom, leave a comment over there. Subscribe, hit the little notification bell if you haven't because you will get notified every time I upload. And until next time, take care, God bless, and with a mouthful of fish, we gone.